Today we're doing something that we haven't done in a while that we should have been doing a lot. We're going camping again, and I'm very excited to say that because, I mean, it's late. It's 6:41 right now, and we're probably going to get there at 7-ish. But, I mean, we'll stay up all night fishing. I don't care. And at the place that we're going to have a chance to catch a huge fish. This isn't compared to my hand.
Shoot it on there up closer so I can see it. I can't really tell. It's too far away. Stick it right
Wait, I knew that you were gonna do that. I just knew it. Well, we didn't catch anything last night. Like, no big ones.
Well, we caught stuff.
Yeah, we caught stuff.
He caught perch and crappie, but they were all small. We came out here camping, and truly, we have just both enjoyed camping more than anything else. So it's a beautiful morning. We're
gonna probably go hiking.
It's June in Texas, and it's in the 60s this morning, which is unheard of. The humidity's at a decent level. So we decided just to run and camp for the night. Stayed up late fishing. Ton of people here, though. A lot of pressure on the fish.
Yeah.
We didn't see the movement or the action that we've seen every other time we've been here. So I think we saw probably 50 people fishing last night, which isn't really our gig. So we didn't do a lot of updating or anything. We had a Cardinal attacking our car this morning. So if it's doing that again, we'll try to get that. Had a herd of wild hogs.
I didn't. I was sound asleep.
In the middle of the night, a herd of wild hogs came up and they were rooting around our tent. And when they got up close to it, I slammed my foot down and they took off running. I got to get better on the camera because that was pretty funny. Oh, there's that cardinal. What's its issue, man? He's seeing the reflection and he thinks it's a male cardinal, and he's so stinking aggressive. And he's decided to attack our car. Oh, I'm mad at him now. Like, he's really attacking our car. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Oh, stop.
What are you doing? Get off.
Well, we can't let that continue. Dude, this is going to be the moment where you and I have a fight, bro. Quit hitting our car.
He should be arrested.
Yeah, don't me. Like, seriously, as a bird, you should be checked out. You're aggressive. You gotta walk soft. Got her. Reel it in to where they're hitting right by this weed bed. Stop right there. Got him. He was aggressive. Is that a long ear?
Well, his ear isn't that long.
So his mouth is in front of his eye.
But there's not like a black dot on his ear. It's just white with black.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
Get him.
Tiny frog.
Tiniest frog in the world.
An insanely large ant.
Ant? Where'd the frog go?
Right here.
Frog. Seems odd.